In this course, we will learn Python by describing how the LWPython state changes as the LWPS executes a Python program. Like any computer program, Python interpreters, including LWPS, operate in discrete time, meaning that the computer hops from one state to the next, as if we are taking a series of photos. By inspecting the current photo, we can exactly predict the contents of the next photo. We will study properties that precisely predict the next state based on the current state. Here is an example property. If at time t the line number is 1 and the statement at line 1 is an assignment y equals 7, then at time t plus 3, variable y contains 7. This property describes the state at time t and makes a prediction at time t plus 3. Note the similarities with properties in the computer architecture course. People often shorten Python programming language to Python, and we will do that too. But people also shorten Python interpreter to Python, which can cause confusion. In most cases, we can determine what people mean by considering the context. If Python is running some code or program, we're referring to the interpreter. But if we are talking about the syntax or the code itself, we are referring to the language.